Alright, welcome everybody. I'm Mauricio, and this is going over the build that we just finished, the Love Boat Special for my friend, well, his wife's birthday. So everything went really well besides the fan that we had to fix in the unboxing, but from that point forward everything was smooth sailing. So the I7-10700k works great with the RTX 2060 Super that we put in there. Really happy with the performance that it had in the benchmarks that it did. I used 3D Mark for there, as well as Heaven benchmarks. You know, it's something that I'll talk to the new owner about and how it performed. So ultimately really happy with it, especially with, you know, how the market is right now with GPUs. That's really hard to come by. So again, this is a really good and good time for them. You know, their computer that they are currently on is on its last breaths, so this will come just in time for them. So super excited again. You know, this one, the Love Boat Special, had a i7-10700k with the RTX 2060 Super, G-Skill, 32 gigabits of RAM at 3200 megahertz. So without further ado, I'll move on and let you see the video that we put together of the build. So enjoy. Hey everybody, well hopefully you enjoyed the video. Again, that was the Love Bolt Special, a computer built for a friend's wife for her surprise birthday. So hopefully she'll enjoy it just as much as I enjoyed building it. So that's where we are. So hopefully I get to build another one here shortly. Just to let everybody know, with GPUs being hard to get, I do have my hands on a Radeon 5600 XT ITX. So it's a small form GPU. So if you know anybody out there that's looking to build to get a computer built for them, when it comes to a gaming computer, send them my way. Like I said, right now graphics cards are a little scarce, so I'm glad that I was able to find one and working on getting a little bit more of supply for myself to continue to build forward. So hopefully everybody enjoyed, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Take care and have a good one.